sun just rised and it's pretty cold, so I don't really have warm clothes with me, just few of them. I hope it's not gonna be that cold there. It should be like 3-day window between a rain and a rain, so I hope for the best. Finally, after almost 7-hour long train ride, I arrived in Ružomberok in Slovakia. Oh man. So I'm gonna start my journey in Low Tatras here in Ružomberok, and let me just quickly buy some food right there in Tesco, and then let's hike into the mountains. And we made it to the mountains. It's pretty here, just look at that. But it's hot and it's gonna be hard, but we can do this. This is crazy. The path is barely existing. You can't even see that, so it's very hard to find it and even harder to walk on it. Yeah, it's hard. Guys, look at that view. Hey guys, I found a spot for a camp and it's absolutely incredible. Look at that. It's just beautiful here. So we're gonna spend a night here and then we're gonna head this direction again. Good morning guys, good news, I survived another day. Let's go. So I think I'm gonna try using this monopod a little bit more today, but look at that. This is just amazing, and I might do some droning here. Alright, day 2, ready to go. I just came across some people and they told me that it is known here that the green path that I was walking is literally the worst and everyone knows it. So good job, Tony. Yeah, you picked the right path. Look, cows, and they just happen to be in my way. Unfriendly cows. Please don't kill me. Oh, look at him. He's my friend. Hey. Good boy. So, now we're gonna travel along this nice little stream, which is perfect because I can cool my head. Oh man, this is awesome. And there are also so many blueberries. It's awesome. It's 1 p.m. now, and I charged my drone, had some really nice cool lemonade. So let's go. So we arrived in Magurka, and let's get into the wilderness. And another jungle. I hate that. We're almost at the top. Look at that. This is beautiful. We should head there. I should sleep somewhere around there. There's a cottage there, so it's not that far away, but I still have to go. It's almost 3 p.m. right now, so let's go. Guys, look at that. This is just so pretty. I'm walking here on the top of the world. Yeah, life is good. That is our next stop, so let's go. Okay guys, there is the place that we're gonna hopefully spend the night in. It looks promising, not gonna lie. So I'm excited. And here we go. Day 3. Guys, this view is just amazing. Look at that. So, if you can see, we're heading this way. There are a lot of people now. They probably went up by that ski lift over there that I'm going to, but there are a lot of people here. We did it, let's go. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Hey guys, this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, it helps a lot. And now I'm gonna catch the train right back home to Prague. Okay guys, this is me editing, and this video took so much work to make. So if you enjoyed, please click that like button, it helps a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. And they just happened to be in my way. All those blueberries were brutally picked up and eaten alive. This is amazing. I love it.